Adding a Pypes exhaust system to your S650 Ford Mustang GT is a great way to add sound and performance. And new to the Pypes lineup are Catback exhaust systems for the 2024 Mustang GT with passive exhaust. First is our 3-inch X-Bomb Catback, equipped with an X-pipe that delivers a modern, high-pitched tone. Second is the 3-inch H-Bomb Catback. The H-pipe creates a classic, low-pitched tone. These Catbacks feature Pypes' tried-and-true M80 mufflers for a high-flowing, aggressive sound. Made from 3-inch mandrel bent 409 stainless steel and finished off with 4-inch dual-wall tips that can be ordered in either polished or black powder coat. Both Catbacks bring an increase in sound and performance to your Mustang. And like all Pypes products, they're backed by a lifetime warranty. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below, or give us a call at 800-421-3890 to get your ride Pypes equipped today.